Welcome inside the 13 ABC Marketplace. My name is Eric Halbert. It's fair to say we're going through some pretty tough times in this country, right? So when a local business offers to give away $25,000 in merchandise, you might want to take notice. We find out more inside today's 13 ABC Marketplace.
My name is Todd and I'm the president of Tristate Window Siding and Roofing. When I started Tristate back in '07, I've been in business for over 14 years now, roughly. And we have been able to grow this company at a level to where we have an opportunity to give back to the community. So it's called Remodel at Ford. What we are doing this year is giving away a free Owens Corning roofing system and also a free CertainTeed siding giveaway. Somebody is going to win a roof that's up to $10,000. The other project for the siding giveaway, that siding project is up to $15,000. You can do one of two things. You can call the office, or you can go to the site that we created, which is remodelatforward.com. And what you need to do is just go there, sign up. You can do it yourself, or you can refer or sign somebody up that you think would be in need for this free roof giveaway and free siding giveaway. We thought and came up with this idea way before the virus or the situation that we are in. Not only did we think about it before then, but we're giving a couple of people an opportunity to help them out to get through this, and not only help them out with what they need, but also possibly and definitely improve the home value in everybody's neighborhoods. We've been very blessed to have opportunities to revive the community, to give back to the community. For instance, last year, one lucky homeowner won that $5,000 cash from our customer give back program. This year, we wanted to go a little bit bigger and wanted to create this Remodel at Ford program so that two lucky homeowners will be able to win that Owens Corning roof and also CertainTeed siding giveaway. So again, been very blessed. We try to do something different every year to help the community, to support the community, and do whatever we can to help homeowners out.
Inside the 13 ABC Marketplace, I'm Eric Halbert.